Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today in this video we are watching the beautiful wardrobe designs. These are all the latest designs. So friends, if you like my designs or you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment box. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. So friends, when we are designing the wardrobe for our bedroom, we should remember some important points like the wardrobe is lot more than just a storage space. So it is a versatile unit that not only doubles up as an essential part of your room decor, but also helps keep your personal space clutter free. So when it comes to choosing the right wardrobe, you will spoil for choices by sheer variety available to you. So from fitted wardrobes to standalone wardrobes, from classic wardrobes made of wood to modern and sleek wardrobe made of glass, the possibilities are endless. So choosing the right cupboard for your space can be a daunting task. This video contains everything that you need to know about wardrobes and will surely help you to make the right choice. So there are the many wardrobes like different designs like fitted wardrobes, standalone wardrobes, and the materials wardrobes are available like wood. It is one of the most commonly used material. Wood can add a warm and inviting rustic look to give any space. The classic look of wood goes well with the most design schemes, making it to the option for most people. You can choose between different colors and grains to find a wood that goes well with your decor. Wooden wardrobes are extremely durable and have a timeless look that won't feel out of place over time. MDF is popularly known as a type of engineering wood material. Usually extreme fluctuations in the temperature and humidity of a space can cause traditional wood to go out of shape. You can prevent this issue by installing a MDF wardrobe that will not get distorted despite temperature and humidity fluctuations. You can spruce up with a simple bedroom with MDF wardrobes in bright colors. There are the different doors of wardrobes like sliding. Wardrobe with sliding doors are the latest designs available in the market with a sleek and contemporary look. Like you can see in this video, there are the beautiful sliding wardrobe designs because the sliding door wardrobes are an ideal choice for urban homes. These wardrobes are usually very large, providing you with an ample space to stow away your belongings like clothes, accessories, shoes, etc. And the wardrobe with the mirror in the tiny apartments of most urban cities, there is usually enough space. So in such scenario, you are forced to come with the innovative design ideas to incorporate a lot of features in a small area. One such popular idea is to attach a mirror to the door of the wardrobe. This not only saves some precious space but also helps to create an illusion of more space and looks extremely stylish. Wardrobe with an open storage. If you wish to display your tiny snacks and so that you have collected over a time but lack the space to create a special display area, a wardrobe with an open storage might be right for you. You can display all your precious items without having to dedicate a specific wall to them. And the Drawers is the most important part of the wardrobe. The wardrobe is incomplete without drawers to store small items like jewelries, purses, ties, socks, and other miscellaneous items. Consider adding pull out the drawers in your wardrobe so that you can easily find your small items without rummaging through the entire wardrobe. There you can see in this video I have shown you the beautiful wardrobe designs with different color combinations. These are all the laminate finishing wardrobe designs. So friends, when you are planning to make your wardrobe, first you make a plan where you want to fix the wardrobe, what is the size of your room. So according to the size of your room you plan the wardrobe size. Another is the budget. So first you prepare your budget, that how much can you spend for your wardrobes. Other is Third is the material which is used for to make the wardrobes. So these are the some few